Hello everyone. So we have completed our three videos on active passive voice in which we have covered our six tenses. Now we have left only two tenses. Two tenses. One is future continuous. One is future indefinite, and second is future perfect. So these two tenses are remaining. So let's move further. Future continuous plus perfect continuous of all the tenses cannot be changed into passive voice. So keep in mind that. Okay, so today we will study future indefinite, future sorry future indefinite and future perfect. So rule rule of active we have already covered in the previous lecture of tenses. So subject plus will shall plus first form of verb plus object. So example of active voice will be I will play football. I will play football. Sorry, I forgot to write the rule to change it into passive voice. So rule we can be written here. Rule of passive voice. So let's change into passive voice first. Let's change it into passive voice. So football will be played by me. Football will be played by me. This is the passive voice of the future indefinite. So how can the rule can be written? Object becomes subject plus will or shall plus be plus third form of verb plus by and plus object. So this is a rule. Yes. So we have completed our future indefinite tense. So moving further, now we have to study the future perfect. Future perfect. So future perfect. So for example, I will have played I will have played football. This is active form. So how passive form can be written? Football will have been played by me. So I am not going to provide you the rule of future perfect which is covered in the tenses, and passive rule of passive you have to write yourself. Rule of passive you have to write. It's your homework. You can, if you don't know or you can don't get the rule, then you can simply comment or ask me anyhow, so I will provide you the rule. But you should do it yourself. At least one you should do it yourself. So we have completed our uh, 8 tenses. So now we have to look at the models, passive of models in the next lectures, and of course imperative sentences, passive of imperatives, and passive of interrogative, and some miscellaneous questions. So I will advise you to revise these 8 type of tenses with active and passive voices, because questions can become in any form. You have to change passive into active or active into passive. So that's all for today. I think video is much longer. So thank you so much. Bye bye.